we will be making this Kusudama, and this one actually is made using A4, half of A4. Right, the size, this is the size. And from this one, we start by folding it half. And turn around like this. We want to pivot this corner and bring this corner to align with the edge. Like this. Okay, and then we bring this edge, bring it to this corner, fold it like this. Now turn around and do the same, bring this corner to align with the edge, like this. And bring this edge to this edge. Yeah. Once this is done, this one, we need to flip this over. And next, you can see this corner here, this corner. Start to fold this corner and fold it so that this line is parallel, like this. Turn over and start to fold from this corner here. And fold it so that this is parallel. Turn around like this and fold this up so that it aligns to the edge at the back here. Fold this up like this. And we want to do a squash fold. Squash folds here so that we will have a sharp point in this part, like this. And fold this down, and make a fold so that we make a line that goes from here to here, like this. And make sure this part is sharp as well. Fold this back up, and you will see there's a small triangle here. Just fold it in and hide it behind. Turn to the back. Fold this up so that it aligns to the edge at the back. Squash fold here so that we have a sharp point, like this. Fold this down. Make a fold that goes from this corner to this corner here, like this. And once this is done, fold this back up, and you can see a small triangle here. Fold it in and hide it. Now do you have this flat triangle here? Just fold it up, same as the back. And to assemble, just take 3 pieces. Assemble is, we want to take this flap here, this is the flap, and insert, right, this is 2 pieces. Take this flap and insert it underneath here. That's 2. And take another one, like this. Insert this flap underneath here. And this goes the third one. and this one goes here like this. And this is the 3-part assembled. And once you are done with 30, this is 30, you will get this Kusudama.